Hello everyone, once again welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. Today we will learn about complex fraction. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. First, let's define what is a fraction. We know that a fraction is a ratio of two numbers, namely the numerator, the number above this line, and then the denominator, which is the number below this line. Fraction represents division. Proper fraction is a type of fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction is a type of fraction where the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Complex fraction is a type of fraction where either the numerator or the denominator is also a fraction, or both the numerator and denominators are fractions as well. That's why we connote the term complex. Okay, how do we simplify complex fraction? Let's take this as an example. So for example, we have 3 over 4 divided by 1/2. We can rewrite this in this format. 3 over 4. Remember, fraction connotes division, so we'll divide 3 over 4 divided by 1/2. In division, we simply change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the second term. So we can rewrite it this way. 3 over 4 times, get the reciprocal of 1/2, 2 over 1. We can simplify by dividing both this number and this number by 2. So if we divide this by 2, we'll get 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, we do it by canceling. So we can now multiply 3 times 1 gives us 3. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Or simply 3 over 2 or 1.5. Okay? Okay, so for example, if you have a word problem that states if a 6-meter wire is cut in 1/2 meter long, how many pieces of wires will this produce? So this is division. So this is 6 divided by 1/2. So 6-meter wire cut into 1/2 meter long. Remember, fraction indicates division, so let's rewrite it this way. 6 divided by 1/2. Okay, 6 is a whole number, so we can write it as 6 over 1. Okay, every whole number has a denominator of 1. And then we'll change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1. And proceed to multiplication. We can multiply numerator to numerator, which gives us 12. And denominator to denominator gives us 1, or simply 12. A 6-meter wire cut in 1/2 meter long produces 12 pieces of wires. Okay, in this example, we have 1/2 minus 1/3 over 1 minus 2 over 3. So you notice that the numerator is a complex fraction. So your goal is to simplify the terms in the numerator into a single fraction. The same is true with the denominator. So first, let's start with the numerator. Let's simplify the numerator. So 1/2 minus 1 over 3. Now, how do we do this? Okay, first, let's get the LCD. Okay, LCD of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay? Okay, so since 6 is the LCD, let's write the numerator in the first term and also the numerator in the second term. Okay, and let's divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we'll multiply this by 3. And then we divide 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we'll multiply this one by 2. Okay, and then let's multiply 1 and 3. We have 3 over 6 minus, okay, let's multiply 2 and 1. We have 2 over 6. Now, since we have same denominator, we can subtract the numerator. So that will give us 1 over 6. So this is equivalent to 1 over 6. So we simplify the numerator into a single fraction. Next, let's simplify the denominator into a single fraction. So we have 1 minus 2 over 3. This is a whole number, we have 1 as its denominator. Okay, so next, let's get the LCD. Okay, the LCD for 1 and 3 is simply 3. All right, so the operation there is subtraction. Let's just rewrite the numerator of each of the term, and then let's divide. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So we multiply this by 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we multiply 2 by 1. Okay, and then we multiply the numerator. So we have 3 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, since we have same denominator, we can simply subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1 over 3. So the simplification of the denominator is 1 over 3. And then after that, let's proceed with division. So 1 over 6 divided by 1 over 3. Now, in division, we simply change the operation to multiplication. So we'll change it to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the second term, which is 3 over 1. And then we simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we have 3 over 6. Okay, reduce it to lowest term, we get 1/2. And this is the answer to this complex fraction. Okay, for our next example, say we have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 5 over 1 over 30. So again, let's simplify the numerator to a single fraction. Okay, so first let's get the LCD. Okay, the LCD for that is 30. Okay, we simply multiply 6 and 5, so that we have 30 plus, okay. And then we just write the numerator, so it's easy for us. Okay, now let's divide. 30 divided by 6 is 5, so we multiply this by 5. And then 30 divided by 5 is 6, so we multiply this by 6. Okay, and then let's multiply 1 and 5. So we have, let's write it here. 5 over 30 plus 6 over 30. So simply we have 11 over 30. So that's the simplified version of the numerator. So 11 over 30 divided by 1 over 30. So we can rewrite it as 11 over 30 divided by 1 over 30. Change the operation to multiplication. 11 over 30 times, get the reciprocal of the second term, 30 over 1. We can cancel 30 and 30, have 1 and 1 over here. And so we multiply numerator to numerator. We have 11 over 1, or simply 11. And this is our final answer. So there you go. I hope these exercises help you simplify complex fraction. Please watch my next video applying this with rational expressions in algebra. And thanks for watching.